Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So welcome to our 7 LTS game event pitch competition.
So it's a real honor to be with you all today because I've seen the Luxembourg Tech School grow from your seed of an idea.
And the idea came from the need to have future generation which could take over digitalization or use technology to solve business and society problems in our society.
Because it's creating the space to develop the potential of the kids and the youth in Luxembourg to be able to learn the competencies they will need to face their challenges in their life and in their professional life.
This LTS project definitely taught us something, and I think later we'll definitely know what to do again.
I think some of the important skills we learn are teamwork, especially because we had to figure out really how to work as a team for this game. We also had to find a good balance between our schoolwork and then work for LTS.
I learned how to manage my time because it was quite hard with the school exams and the other stuff. Also, it was a teamwork because before I couldn't say that I was like a team player, but at this school I realized it's very interesting, and when you express yourself, it's interesting to work in a team and work on something together.
I was very impressed. I have to say this was the first time I was here as a jury, and overall I have a little bit of knowledge about games, but not too much. So I was really flashed about these young students that are so motivated. It was really inspiring, and yes, the games overall were really far developed. And I heard from other jury members who were here some years ago, and they said they also see a very high development in the quality of the games.
I was really impressed by the quality. I mean, a few years ago it was still a first approach, but now we can really project ourselves on a concrete project and really well finalized with a nice concept. And yeah, really impressed and really amazed by what I...
I think just learning to code and to also time management and just not to get too frustrated when the things don't work immediately. I spent a lot of hours trying to make simple things work and it just didn't work. And
it took me a while to get a hang of it, but once I did, we got a finished product which we're happy with.
For me, I was more in here for 3D design. I've always liked to draw and paint, and I wanted to learn something new. So I learned so much. I learned how to work with Blender, and it was just learning experience.
Gaming is super important because it's a new way of learning also, and it's a new approach. And entertainment is very important. It's getting bigger in Luxembourg, and those kind of initiatives are extremely important because we are training the developers of tomorrow. So it's.
I think since there are different modules, the game development module helps you understand what it takes to make a game. And I think it would help us in the future to work in the field of game development and design of the game.
The best skills that I got from LTS was the teamwork that really improved. It was really great to work in a team, as well as all these different applications and tutorials that we had to use in order to fully make this game. It was really good to expand our knowledge on the whole system involved in making a game.
The fact that the kids improve so much the soft skill during the process with the LTS will be something that will be important for their life also in the future. And that's for us, it's very important.
I think LTS sort of prepared me for maybe a career in ICT. And I think the things I learned in game development will help me further on if I want to develop apps and different games. Perhaps I can make a sort of business out of it, and maybe we'll see where it takes me.